series of lights projecting on and off at a particular speed in a particular order, giving us the illusion of movement. Not only does your brain tell you this is spinning or moving, you can actually change the direction again merely by changing your mental perception, sometimes referred to as perceptual set. Very similar to what we saw earlier in this demonstration. Is it a 13? Well, that depends upon the set or the context. Perhaps it's a B. Is this spinning right or left? It depends upon how you perceive it. It depends upon your perspective. Are you looking down on it or are you looking up? Before I stop, I'd like to wrap things up a little bit. I want you to remember that far from being inadequate, insufficient, far from being problematic or bad at perception, I want you to know that just because you can't perceive the world completely accurately, just because you may never know objective truth, does not mean that what you are capable of isn't amazing. The goal, read with me, isn't to extract truth from the universe, but instead build a version that is useful. Objective reality may be less or more, or only coincidentally the same as your perception. Don't let it bother you. What's important to an organism like you and me is that you have a story-making device and the associated software to interpret, organize, and make meaning, especially where that meaning does not exist. And remember, the meaning that you make does not need to be accurate or objectively valid. It only needs to be useful. To the extent that it keeps you from not dying, then it is a feature, not a bug. I'll see you next time. Thanks for your time and attention. Enjoy your spring break.